Furthers cryptocurrencies and the food supply chain, increasing transparency and efficiency. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are significantly enhancing the food supply chain by improving transparency, efficiency, and trust. Here's how these technologies are transforming the way food is produced, distributed, and consumed. Key innovations. Enhanced traceability. Blockchain technology allows for the detailed tracking of food products throughout the supply chain. Each stage, from farm to table, is recorded on a decentralized ledger, providing an immutable history of the product's journey. This transparency helps verify the origin of food, ensuring that it meets safety and quality standards, and allows consumers to trace their food back to its source. Fraud prevention. By using blockchain to record every transaction and movement of goods, the food supply chain becomes less susceptible to fraud. Counterfeit products can be easily identified, and discrepancies in the supply chain can be traced and addressed. This helps maintain the integrity of food products and reduces the risk of fraudulent practices.